Monday.com quiz and service tutorial. Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to make a survey or quiz on Monday.com. So basically, the making of both of these things are in the same way. So in order to learn it, just follow this video and you'll be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is you have to log into Monday.com. Once when you're logged in, you will be redirected here to the home page. And from here, what you need to do, you need to go here and click on this plus icon. And from here, you need to come here to form. You can either search the form with templates. Let me just see. Nope, but we're going to go with survey. I'm sure that we're going to get survey. Yes, here we go. So this is the survey that we have. We can select any survey that we want. For example, I'm going to go with this one. And we just have to wait. Here you go. So you can either make survey yourself or you can just get a template, which is much more easier to do and it's less time consuming. So I would recommend that you go with a template. The older versions of Monday.com do not provide this solution or this facility to us, but after the update, you can easily get a survey. And this is the form of the survey. Let me just show you. It would ask about our department. It would ask about our job role. It's actually an employee survey. So you have to make sure that if you want an employee survey, you can just use this satisfaction, motivated, and they can select, agree, disagree, agree, disagree. They can write about the job role. So we can also edit the survey and make some fields to be mandatory, like this. Okay, let's not hide it. And let's make it mandatory. It will be mandatory. You can see there's a red star here. Now that means that it is mandatory for every employee to write their name. And we can also add additional questions if we want. We can change the questions if we want. Or what we can do is we can add more questions if we want. Like right here, if you click on this plus icon, a new question will be added. Now it's up to us. Either we can use a short text or a number or ask for the phone number. We can have MCQs, true or false, completely up to us. And whatever data we'll get from this, we can put in here. Response 1, response 2, response 3, and we can just record their responses and write the name of their department, their job roles, and we'll be good to go. So this is how you actually create a survey or quiz in Monday.com. The creation of quiz is also similar. What you can do is you can just go here and click on forms right away and a new form will be created to you. Let me just show you how to do it. And it's something very easy, not difficult. So this new form has been created. Now what you can do is you can write, you can turn on this welcome page and write something if you want. And you can write the questions of the quiz here and you can have option 1, option 2, option 3, and they'll have to select the one option that seems right, because that happens in a quiz. They ask you a question and they give you some multiple choices and you have to select from one of them. So this is how a quiz is created. It's simple as that. So I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.